Way to the top till we're falling over. I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you should have never lied. Should have saw the way she looked in my eyes. She said, "Baby, I'm not afraid to die."
So, hello everyone. My name is Kim Andersson and I'm the CEO of Cognizant Latvia. And we are back with another episode of Worst of Tech. So today we will review a mini microphone from NEEWER. So let's see what's in the box. Yes. We have some kind of audio splitter here. We have the actual microphone, blue, shiny, not so big because it's a mini one. We have some kind of holder for the microphone, I guess. And we have some headphones. And that's about it. There is no instructions, no nothing. However, we will try to connect this now to our tablet and we will see how it works. Okay, so it's actually not so easy to get it to work. iOS and Mac doesn't work at all. But when connecting it to an Android tablet and especially using the easy voice recorder, then it seems to work. And in order to test the quality of the sound, this microphone is what we will use for the rest of the show. So I'm starting the recording, and yes, we see. I see on the in the app here that it's recording some noise at least. I have no idea how sensitive it is if you need to hold it very closely or can hold it a bit far away. I don't know. We will see later. Quite funny when you read on the box that the microphone is coming with. It says mini size, fits into pocket. Yeah, it does for sure. K-song at any time. I don't know if it's especially good at some Korean pop or so. It also says you think not small. You couldn't think of opportunely. Also don't know if they are a bit funny with tunes or if it's a misspell of opportunity. Okay, so we have listened to the audio quality and it's okay. It's basically like a built-in microphone on a laptop. So not really of any use if you already have a built-in microphone. But maybe it looks cool when you're doing karaoke or so. So that's what we will try next. Okay, and since we heard that this microphone is really good for karaoke, we will try that out with one of the most popular hip-hop songs at the moment, which is Lil Uzi Vert with EXO Tour Live. I already missed the first part of it, so let's see.
Counting them bands all the way to the top till they will be falling over. Counting them bands on my way to the top till we're falling over. I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you should have never lied. Should have saw the way she looked in my eyes. She said, "Baby, I'm not afraid to die." Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
So this microphone, it's actually not bad, but on the other hand, since it's not better than what you already have in your phone, your laptop or so, this actually goes to Worst of Tech. This is something we should destroy. If you like our Facebook page, then you will be able to vote on how we will destroy this later on in the season. And make sure also to subscribe to our channel because very soon we will be releasing more episodes of Worst of Tech. So until then, goodbye.